Hi folks, we're at our workshop. When I was at Newbury recently, there's a video about that, go and check it out if you haven't already. I had a chat with the guy at YRM about their new side frames and seat boxes that they're selling. I'll just do the obligatory internet disclaimer that I have no affiliation with them, but I just think their products are quite cool, and I thought that others might be interested in seeing their products up close a bit more. So this is just footage of when I was there having a look at their products. Hope you find it interesting.
If you look at that big post there, you can see that's the original one.
This one, or this one?
That was the original.
Yeah.
Look at the one, that one there. Take the outside off, and you can see what's inside all ours.
Exactly the same.
Yeah.
More or less.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's pick out some of the details here. We've got this plate in here. Pretty much identical to the original. I don't know if this would have had crush tubes in it, but this one certainly has on theirs. This plate down here, even with a little hole in it, spot welded on, that's there. And then this section on here, spot welded on as an extra kind of flap that joins it to the sill panel here. That's the same. The bends in here, there's a bit of a gap there, so not 100% exactly the same, but they've got these captive nut plates on the side, they're put in there, and this section up here is very similar to the one at the top there, so it's actually pretty like for like, to be honest. The fact that they've got an original B-post and they want people to look inside and compare it to theirs is actually really refreshing, because the parts market for Land Rovers has typically been full of utter crap for a long time, particularly body panels, and it always takes modifications to fit. It never works out of the box. So the attention to detail here is something I really appreciate, actually. It is impressive what you're getting a good reputation, it seems, for getting, because like body panels and stuff's got such a bad reputation normally for not fitting.
Around the seat box as well, so there we can apply a really flat seat box.
Oh yeah.
And, you can get about 5 minutes. We've just been on with the adapter for the finish with the LTD-R380s and LT85s, and we're going to start messing on with the LT77 next.
Okay.
That's like a frame on the seat box.
Okay, cool.
It's all pre-drilled.
Oh right, so you rivet it.
Like a flat pack. Yeah. You can have one assembled in 5 minutes, and it's within about, standing the jig and it's all squares. So like half another square, and just slots in.
Cool. Yeah, that's cool. That's nice, actually.
What we're looking at is when we go, is making sure that the face edges, there's no like too many imperfections on it.
Yeah. So what would you do with something like that?
That there, the paint shop, we would get over that.
Okay.
Like, it's just.
Would you smooth that off with that?
Yeah, okay, fine.
That would go back to.
Yeah.
That wouldn't go to steel. That would.
No. You just got, as long as you just went down to there. So you'd be able to go like a fine grit.
Yeah.
Sandpaper, we'll get rid of that, like.
Cool.
And then when we get tap with some grease it also, then just when you get it, then you haven't got to work out what tap stuff are.
Yeah.
It's just very important, basically.
Nice. Yeah. Put it on the list.
Yeah.
Cheers. So that was just a short video, but I hope you found it useful. If you're thinking of buying these products, then this might have given you more of an insight into what they look like and what the quality's like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're into Land Rover content, because I post Land Rover related videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.